Hey everyone, it's Linda Medeiros, director with The Pampered Chef and host of What's Linda Cooking. Today, I am doing a sheet pan meal because it's easy, it's simple, and I'm making pork chops. So I figured I'll just do that. We're actually going to do a ranch pork chops, and I'll try to do the recipe that I'm basing this on below. But a ranch pork chops with some ranch roasted potatoes and a simple salad because I still have salad greens. I was going to do roasted broccoli, but my husband's like, no, I don't want to do roasted broccoli. And so I said, well, we have some lettuce still in the refrigerator, so we'll use that. So I'm gonna put this down so you can see what I am doing, and hopefully you can see that. So I'm just going to and I washed these potatoes really well. So we're just going to kind of cut these, throw them on the pan. And this is what I love about sheet pans. I can let's take that little bit off there. I got a little bit of yuccas. That's a technical cooking term. Yuccas on my potatoes. We're going to get rid of that too, because sometimes that's what happens to them. They do get a little bit of yucca on them. So just going to chop this up. And of course, this is my Santoku knife that I'm using. It is one of my favorite knives. You see me use it all the time. And my flexible cutting mats. And they come in a set of 3. I love those because they do come in that set of 3, and there's no cross-contamination. I have to tell you, my mother-in-law always goes crazy when I cut my potatoes because I'm never cutting them really all the same size. I'm going to get that yuccas out too. Okay. And she's like, oh, they're going to cook, different rates. And I'm like, I really don't care. They're usually fine. So, but it drives her nuts as I'm cutting this stuff because she has to have all of the eyes out and all of that. And I'm just kind of digging that stuff out. Because sometimes, your potatoes, as they get to the end of the season and stuff like that, are a little bit, speckled and stuff like that. So you're just going to cut away some of that. And I love when Jacques Pepin cooks because he doesn't waste anything. And I'm the same way. I try not to waste anything. So I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to start building this mix that I'm going to do. So I have right here some buttermilk. I don't buy buttermilk. I just get buttermilk powder. Now you can, for this ranch seasoning, you can do your own ranch, the packet of ranch, but I'm doing my own ranch mix. So I'm going to do a little bit of salt. Just going to put some salt in here. So it's buttermilk, okay? Buttermilk powder. And then I'm going to put a little bit of our dill mix because dill is so good, and it is in ranch dressing. So this is the Pampered Chef one. We're going to put that in there. And then I'm going to put a little bit of parsley, and I always get this at like Luzzo's or Price Right. They have these big things of it. So I'm going to put that in there. And then we need a little bit of garlic. And I'm going to throw in some garlic and herb, but I'm also going to throw in just some straight, I got the new one here. Let's open this. Oh, and this always smells so good. So we're going to throw some of that, but I want a little more garlic in there. So I'm going to throw in just some straight garlic powder, if I can open this up, just like that. Okay, so we're going to mix this, and this is my little, this is my mini mix and scraper. It comes white. It doesn't come this color anymore, but look at how nice that is. That's like a ranch dressing, a mix, and it's homemade. You don't need to buy it, okay? You can do it yourself, and this kind of lives indefinitely in your refrigerator. So, it's a good thing to have on hand. I'm actually almost done with it, so I need to get another one. So here we go. We have my pork chops, and we have the potatoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a little bit of our olive oil right on there, or a lot of it, and we're just going to sprinkle, then sprinkle. And if I have some left, I'll just save it, I can put it in a container, but I don't think so. I think I'm going to liberally put this on, and I'm just going to kind of do that. Just like that. Just like that. Look at that. Look at how nice it looks already, though. Okay? And then we're just going to flip these over. And I'm going to do the other side. because we want both sides done. And then this is going to go into a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. So not a long meal. And in that time, I'm going to be able to, I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to be able to just, make my salad, make my dressing in the manual food processor, or Manny, as those of you, know that I call him. And then this will be done. I am going to use this entire thing because let's just do it, right? Let's just throw it all in because there's just a little bit left over. Now this is all going to get mixed just like that, and the rest of it is just going to go right in there. There we go. There we go. And I love these prep bowls because I can, put all of my seasoning and everything in there. Now this, by the way, is my sheet pan. This is my large sheet pan. I actually like the half sheet pan the best. But in my family, right now I'm only cooking for 4, and 3, and we don't have huge appetites, believe it or not. So this, is going to be good enough. Let me wipe my hands real quick. And then this is going to go into the oven. Let me just throw that in there just for 1 minute. And like I said, it's going to be 30 minutes. And then this is going to be done. Easy peasy. I love easy peasy dinners. How about you? I am just, because we are cooking every single night, some of us. We need easy, we need quick, and this definitely fits the bill. Now, if you don't have pork chops, guess what? You can make chicken. If you have boneless, skinless chicken breasts, just do it with the chicken. Easy, okay? So post below what you are cooking tonight, because I would love to hear what you are cooking tonight, or even if you're doing takeout, that's fine, you can do that. And share, sharing is caring, and if you're on YouTube, or even if you're not on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Linda Medeiros, okay? And then I have one that's What's Linda Cooking. That's the one that you want to look at all the time. So I'm Linda Medeiros, director with the Pampered Chef, and host of What's Linda Cooking. Have a great night and be safe.